Innovate Agent Banking Company, an SME from Kampala district. This SME is dedicated to transforming Uganda's financial landscape through the provision of scalable, secure, and interoperable financial services, platforms, and integrated suite of services to enable banks, MDIs, MFIs, SACCOs, fintechs, and other financial institutions to enhance their service delivery, expand their reach, and reduce operational costs. With deal flow facility support, the agent banking company advanced to the investor final stage and closed an investment deal.
The business was established as an idea that the commercial banks through UBA had. The concept was to say that there's certain capabilities and infrastructure that we can share. So rather than competing on establishing independent operations, we could come together and use the same system, the same infrastructure. So the agent banking was a very good use case for that, because if you visit Kenya and some of the other geographies where there's agent bank, what we saw there is that when you go to an agent, you find the agent has 6, 7 point of sale devices. That means he has 7 or 8 bank accounts, transaction registers, float accounts, and that sort of thing. It becomes very complex and expensive to operate that way. So as banks, we decided that we can actually share the agent banking system, agent network. That way, every shilling we invest helps us to reach as many people as possible.
Like many of the SMEs supported by FSD Uganda, Agent Banking Company faced challenges in accessing capital. The deal flow facility stepped in to change that.
So I think because we were working very closely with FSDU, we were aware that they were going to run such a program. And I think we were among the people who indicated to them that we would need support when trying to raise funding, because we had a few engagements with investors and they were not really going anywhere. So we sort of realized that we needed some preparation to make the organization investment ready. And FSDU was kind enough to go ahead and set up this facility. And I think we were one of the first people, first beneficiaries of that process.
With support from the deal flow facility, the company completed a business diagnostic process to identify any investment readiness gaps.
We did not have sufficient understanding of what investors would expect and what they would want to see in order as to be able to invest in a business such as ours. So we realized that we needed a bit of technical assistance from people who had walked that journey before, or who had some expertise in terms of putting together deals, investment deals. We did not have a very clear view of what kind of investment we actually required. So a lot of guidance was actually needed to get us to the point where we could go out and engage the market.
Agent Banking Company's story shows the power of tailored business development services and investor to SME matchmaking, but gaps like limited funding still hold back many SMEs.
It's a very exciting journey for us. It's one we're very much looking forward to. And I think within a very short time, we've been able to achieve significant traction to the extent that with our investor, we started thinking about what does our Series B look like in 2026, 2027, and what will we deploy it towards in terms of driving our growth. So we started to do that work as we speak. So we're very thankful to FSDU and DFF for having supported us in that aspects. And we look forward to working with them in some of the we're trying to execute.
The deal flow facility continues to stay committed to its mandate on investment readiness. Learn more about the deal flow facility, visit FSD Uganda's website, or follow us on X and LinkedIn.